Hello, how are you? Can you hear me?
Hi, I'm good, thanks.
Yeah,
How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
I'll tell you about the project that we have to do. Um, so can you hear me okay?
yeah, I'm hearing
Okay,
you.
great. So we have an existing website, which is a restaurant website. Our restaurant has three locations, and currently, well, currently we have two separate websites, and now we're opening a third location. So we're like, okay, there's too many websites. We need one website for all three locations. So a lot of the information is already available online to be sort of copied and pasted over into one site. So from the entry standpoint of information, I don't think it's going to be that complicated. It's just a matter of us deciding what's the best way to have three locations in one website. And I have some rough ideas for that. Um, but it's sort of time sensitive. I actually somewhat have the ability to do it myself, but I'm just so busy with all the other things. So that's why I would love your support if you're available. Do you have availability like right now to sort of begin?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Because I have basically like a 2 week timeline to create this.
No, no problem. That's
Okay.
enough.
So, what is the best way for me to start it with you? And I was thinking to put it on the Wix Studio
Okay.
because
So,
I think
okay.
it gives a
So,
little
Shreya,
bit more flexibility.
no problem. So, both websites are on Studio, right? Wix Studio.
Both websites currently are in just regular Wix.
Okay. Yeah. And the new website will be on Wix Studio, right?
Correct.
Okay, so I'm confused about one thing. What about the combination of that? So, in a there may be 5 or 6 locations for a business, but that will be a one website actually. In our contact us section, we can aggregate the map of the different locations.
But
Uh,
yeah, you could do that. So here's
okay.
how here's what it's like. And once you see the websites, it'll make a little bit more sense. But um, basically, we have a big restaurant and arcade games and stuff like that,
Okay.
all in one place. And the menu is the same. Like, so that's good. Currently. Um, and then the offerings are different. So like one location, two of the three locations have bowling. The other
Oh,
one, it does have bowling, but it's like very small. So I don't know. Um,
oh,
and one of the locations of the three has karaoke. So it's just we have to have a unique page for the offerings of like what's in the building, and then
right.
we can have the same menu at the top. So I was thinking menu and then locations. Each
Yeah,
location gets a page,
right.
and then we have book a party, which is another like book an event.
Mhm.
That's another like main category that can be on the primary menu. Um,
Okay.
and you could under that have a drop down that says like
Yeah,
choose
right.
location,
Yeah.
and then contact. We could have like a general contact, but then
Mm-hmm.
on the main page for each site, we're gonna have like links out. So make a reservation, make a party booking. And all of the party bookings are very simple actually, because they're done through an external uh
Reservation app, right? Got
party
it.
software. So
Yeah.
you're just
I
linking it.
just think that. Okay, no problem.
So it's very simple.
Yeah, so if you can sketch the filter option, like the location and reservation filter, what you actually tell, if you can
Right.
sketch that and send me, that will be helpful for me. And yeah, we can do that. Basically, let me share the technical part actually. So
Yeah.
for each of the restaurant, we will have a different page. We will use actually Wix CMS actually. So on the back end, we will create some CMS or database actually On that database, we will input the menu, food menu, then the reservation buttons, and for each restaurant, I will create a different page actually. So when anyone filter restaurant one, they will see and click on that, and they will go to the detail page. And for the second restaurant, it will be also same. It will go to the second page, and they can reserve now. And for both of the restaurant, you have different reservation option, right?
Yes.
Okay, so just one thing I need to see. Can you share the screen and show me the current websites right now so that we
Sure.
can get.
Yeah. So currently, this is what I have just as a temporary thing because we are. So Mississauga is an existing one. Burlington is an existing one, and Vaughan is the new one. So for Vaughan, I just have like a landing page, basically saying like job, like apply now.
Uh,
So we definitely want like a little bit more sophisticated looking website. I don't know why that's looking like that. That's weird.
uh,
um, we do need to have some sort of an event thing like that where because the and something that's easy to manage. I don't know if there's something available through Wix or something that you would be able to build where it's very easy for, say, like a restaurant manager to say, like, oh, we have a special event this day. And then that populates on the website. Currently, we're using a plugin for it's called Elf Site, the
okay,
app.
done that website, yeah.
Yeah. So we can use that event thing again if we want, but yeah.
Okay,
So
so on homepage, how we can actually aggregate all of the informations, because some have the bowling option, some restaurant may not have that, and the gallery and images may be changed.
right.
Uh, so, do you have any idea, or can you share some idea on how actually we manage the homepage for all of the three restaurants?
I can definitely share a bunch of inspiration in the next day or two.
Okay.
But something that like we could immediately get going on is I could send you like I have a new menu. So I can
Mm-hmm.
send you the menu and you can begin to do some of that boring stuff like uploading the menu uh into the thing. I do have a theme that's part of Wix Studio where I really like the way the menu is presented. So that
Great.
should make it, pretty easy.
Yeah.
So I can also share that for you. Um,
Oh, you are using OpenTable. Got it.
yeah, we're using OpenTable for reservations.
Yeah.
Like a
Okay.
lot of the
Mhm.
what would be complicated things are essentially just links out to external platforms, so it's not too complicated in that way. I just really want like, and I can give you some inspiration from other sites of somebody
Yes.
lands on the site, they can find their right location, um,
Mhm.
and then the other thing that we have is like, yeah, like promotions. So that's generally what I find people come to the website for is like one to find out like who you are and what you're about, two to see what's on your menu, three to
Mhm.
make a reservation or contact you, or four they want to see what your daily specials are. But we're because we're a very big place, our events is really really important, like planning an
Yes.
event.
On menu, you just tell me the points actually. Just if you can give me the sketch, I can uh manage the menu for both of the restaurants. And with the filter option, we will create different pages for both of the restaurants actually. Uh,
So I'm gonna see if I can add you to, I'm just gonna go very quickly to my Wix and I'm gonna see if I can add you to this demo site that I had.
yeah. Okay. Sure.
And then you can kind of see because basically I just want something that's a little bit more clean
Mhm.
and like I built that site a long time ago and
So,
it doesn't really
but
function properly. I think when like, sometimes there's big white spaces that just like appear randomly and it's just sort of a bit annoying.
So, for the game page, both restaurant have different plans and different pricing, right?
For the games pages,
Yeah. Can you
oh,
see my screen? I'm
our
already.
our pricing and everything like that is consistent.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So we
We
don't
might get
actually
different
see
deals.
different.
There might be different deals at different places, but okay. So I sent it to you. It's again, it's literally just a theme. So if you want to open it up quickly,
Mhm.
I
Let
can.
me check.
It's basically just the menu page that I like. There's nothing else that I like really love except for the fact that it's yeah, that it's like responsive well because it's on the studio platform.
Yeah, I already get the access. So you already choose the theme, right?
I like I just went with this for now because I like the way the menu is presented. We don't really have like many photos of our food, so I don't like
Uh-uh.
so if you just go to the food menu, should be a page on that. Okay, so there was a different
This is the reservation. This is the detail page of the reservation. So we don't need to
we
add
don't even
reservation. So we
we
are
don't
making
even really
reservation.
need that because that links out to Upwork or
So open table.
to
Yeah,
Open Table.
open table. Yeah.
But go to the menu page for a sec because I think I might have changed the like layout to one that I don't actually like now.
This is the main menu. So are you? This is the home page actually, or this is the menu page actually. Are you talking
Yeah,
about?
that's what I'm talking about. The food
Uh,
menu, how it's
okay.
presented.
Yeah.
Um, there was the theme because there's like five different like layouts they give you. Like
Got
one
it.
has a photo of the food, one doesn't. Like one has a photo on the left. Like so that's sort of the one that I like. And then you go to layout and then there's different grid, columns, center, expand.
Can you? Are you on Zoom app right now?
Yeah.
So and at the bottom you will see share option to share icon.
Oh, share. Okay, there we go.
Share
Okay.
the screen so that I can get idea from your screen actually.
Can you see it? Can you
Yeah,
see
I can.
the screen?
Yeah, I
Okay.
can see. Yeah, perfect.
So it's like this. So it has like a food. It has food on the like a photo on the left,
All
and then
right.
you have
Yeah.
a section, and then you can like here. I gotta go to the preview so you can sort of see it. So then you can navigate the different
Yes.
sections easily.
Yeah. No problem. Yeah.
It's nice. I also like how like the price is like not big and
Yeah.
bold and crazy. Like I focus on the items, have the price like this.
Yeah.
Uh,
So all of the contents are your we will take from the previous websites, right? Previous two websites.
yeah,
All
like
of the
the
prices
text and
and
stuff. But but I don't want it like to look the same.
yeah.
I would rather like that we follow like some themes like this. And then I'll give you inspo for like two or three websites that I really like and why I like them. And then you can lay it out. Now for content for photos, I'll we're going to be getting all new media created and I can like place new photos in there. Um,
Yeah.
that's something I'm capable of doing, or I can send to you and you can do it too. But don't worry too much about that. Just like, when you go to the homepage, for example, or whatever, like, we would have like a food photo and
Yeah.
text on the right. And then, we can do a video and this kind of stuff. But I
Mhm.
like the way that this theme is generally laid out. I like movement of things. I like a lot of this I actually really don't mind. Um, so
Understand that, no problem. So give me two or three more websites for actually getting idea,
yeah.
and I will create a UI design first using Figma, so that you can get some idea about the design, and then I will take corrections and modifications from you, and after that I will actually start the development. And yeah, and just how much pages are there? Homepage, menu, and
So
about page, contact
yeah,
page.
so menu will be one page,
Okay.
and then the next tab will be locations.
Okay, got it.
And the locations, there'll be three.
Okay.
Those will be pretty intense pages. They'll be kind of like this, like they'll be like, a little bit. about some things about the food, some of the offerings that we have. We might have like a grid that says like arcade, bowling, whatever, all the things, and then a bunch of photos.
Mhm.
Make a group booking, make a reservation, all of those call outs for each location. Then we're gonna have probably a page that says like uh make a part like our existing sites say like book a what is it?
Reservation or
It says plan an event.
plan an event.
So plan an event. We got to find a way for plan an event to go to the three locations because we don't want somebody to plan an event at the wrong location.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
So something sort of like what I had before there. And then once they plan an event, it'll go to an event page, which can be the exact same page basically for each site.
Mhm.
And then like it's going to link out to our party planning software from there.
So
And
what kind of have inside the plan and event page? Can I see that? Yeah. So
so we
currently.
have like, all this text can be the same, host like a
Yeah,
hero.
yeah, no. Yeah.
So it shows like what we have, like billiards, air hockey, bowling, arcade games. We have all of these at all the sites, and then we
Oh,
currently direct people to kids parties or like social parties. And social parties is basically another word for like adult parties.
yeah, okay.
So they click this and they go.
And this
They'll
will go to the external link,
link,
right?
they'll link out to this page, which tells them like we have all these different forms with different processes. So if
Mhm.
you have 10 to 15 kids, you can just book it online instantly, pay for it, reserve it. You don't need to talk to anybody, right?
Yeah.
If you have a larger size event, we need to check like can we accommodate and special things. So that links to, so if you click here book your event now,
It will go
it'll
to a third party
you can
website.
just
Understand?
exactly, right?
Yeah.
But if
But
you
for three restaurant, the events will be different, right? So initially we have to uh, create a filter or something like to choose which restaurant he gonna book actually, right?
right,
Okay.
I think I that makes the most sense because here, like when people click, when they come to this page
Mm-hmm.
and when you click a link, there's no filter to choose your location
Yeah, got it.
because they're already forms made for that location, and there's not an easy way to set it up. So we have to filter them to that to the location.
Yeah.
Um, so I don't know what's the best way, like visually, to keep people interested. Whether they, when they click plan an event, it immediately says like which location do you want to go to, or
Yeah.
they see all these things that are cool about it, because most of the offerings are the same.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Um, but maybe we also have a frequently asked questions.
Okay, so yeah, but no problem. We can create a pop-up actually to
Yeah.
choose the location. After that, we will redirect to the different pages actually.
Okay. Okay. But yeah, I mean, it is relatively straightforward. So this is the games is also like what we have uh like I don't know how we can integrate. Basically, for each location, we want to have like we're very food focused. So
Okay.
food is like what we put as number one, and then we put gamings and stuff is very important too, but we always want to show like food kind of first on the website because that's
Yeah.
why people are going to come. They're going to come because they're hungry, but then they can also play the other games.
Yeah.
So these sort of things got to be on each location's page, like what our offerings are, maybe in a nicer way to display it more clean. We do have this like purchase your wristband, how that works. Like you purchase games are an average of 4 to 8 credits and blah, blah, blah. All this copy you can just totally
Oh yeah.
you and paste over.
Right.
Um, but yeah, I mean, our website currently is simple, right? It's just
Okay.
landing page of what we sort of have,
On
menu.
game pages, there I think on game pages, can I see the game page?
Yeah. So that's where
So
I just was. Yeah.
okay.
So it
Oh,
just
just
basically says like, here's what we have. Here's how you play by buying a wristband, and then
correct.
make a reservation.
Okay. So
The
the also
specials we have, but this can be like this we might want to integrate into like the calendar thing like we're showing. I don't know what's the way. I mean, our specials, I think we're going to do the same specials mostly,
hmm?
but I don't know what's the best way to do it. Maybe I can find
So
it.
so currently, how you are actually taking the reservations?
How are we?
Taking the reservations.
Yeah, so we go here, make a reservation, and it just links to open table.
Or it's going to open table. Got it. Yeah. Okay.
That's for like a regular reservation. And then if you want to book a party, obviously you got to go through all the filters, like we said, plan a corporate event. And then it says 15 people, social events, corporate events.
Got it.
And then contact's pretty simple. Like we just have like a few different contact forms. Here's plan an event again, just because people are stupid. Like
Got it.
they won't click on that page. They'll send an email. We want to book an event. And so we put it here again. And then we have here, this is just links to a job form for careers
Okay.
and contact
Got it.
us, existing forms that are already made. You don't have to remake them. And then
Oh,
just people enter their stuff.
and they are getting the data from jot form. Okay.
Yeah, well, it gets emailed to them automatically from job form, like a new resume or whatever.
Okay. Inside Wix, there is also a form. No problem. Okay, we can connect on with
Yeah,
the
we
exit.
can we can use the Wix contact form also
Yeah.
potentially.
Yeah.
Um,
And
the other thing with the contact though is it should have to go to a location, because if somebody's applying for a job, what location are they applying for, right? We have to think of it like,
yeah, got it. We can create a drop down actually.
yeah, yeah, that's
Okay,
good.
so
That's the
finally,
problem with where regular Wix is I couldn't do drop downs. And it was a pain.
on Wix form.
A regular Wix, I couldn't do
Wix,
any drop downs. I don't know why.
Wix, Wix has actually a new form. There is two form, old Wix form and new form. On new form, they actually update that.
Yeah,
And on Wix Studio, we can do that. No problem. And as well as we can add the jot form as well. As you are actually used to with jot form, I think we can stay with that. No problem.
yeah,
And yeah, I saw that there's a home page, menu page, game page, plan and event page, reservation page, and contact page, right?
yeah,
So initially we can create the whole UI for all of the pages, and then when we start development, we will create the filter for each locations.
yeah,
So there will be actually three locations, right? So I need the information of the locations, like for the drop down. So what are the locations? You have to send me that.
yeah,
And I'm using current contents, and I will use some AI generated images or some dummy images or some stock images. Later on you can change, and I also take the images from your website. So if I need some extra images, I will take help from AI. And if I think we can add some contents, I can use AI. Later on we can change all of
yeah,
them. So yeah.
yeah,
And so the deadline is 15 days, right?
yeah,
And that whole budget will be actually $400 for all of the things actually. And inside that you are getting actually the UI design, the on-page SEO part. I don't know your previous websites SEO are done or connected with Google. I don't know.
yeah,
But on the new website, I will do the SEO part actually for all of the pages. And if you give 4 or 5 keywords like best restaurants in Canada or best uh, event planner in uh, in your location. Like if you can give me 4 or 5 keywords, I can try to push the keywords on your website so that
Yeah.
it will help to get ranked.
Some
And
stuff that's existing, yeah. And I can even share with you like our keywords from our Google ads or
yeah,
whatever.
got it, yeah. And as you will, are you actually planning to do some Facebook or Google ads? Because if you actually plan to do some ads, we have to actually create the whole page separately. Like for that locations, this page will come.
Right.
For that locations, a different page will come.
Right.
So we can
We will,
filter on
we will,
inside the web. Inside the website, I can filter and change in similar way. And if you actually ask me to create different page for menu or for planning an event, if you have any plan to actually do some Facebook ads, we have to design the whole website differently. Actually, that's why I'm asking that.
right. Yeah. Yeah. We will do that. So just plan knowing that we will have to link to those
Got, got
specific
it.
pages. And that's why we want the specific pages to be, yeah, like very, very nice so that when they land on that, they're
Yeah,
almost like in that exact page, but that's such that the menu is accessible still at the top where
yeah, yeah.
if they clicked and they're like, oh, I'm not supposed to go to this location, I'm going to the other location, like they can do that still.
Got it, got it. Yeah.
Okay, so here's what I'll do. um, do you want to? What's the next steps? Like, should I?
Okay.
I'll hire you
So
in
okay,
Upwork.
you can hire me on Upwork. And create an installment payment like on the first milestone. You can named it as first draft for $200 and
Yeah,
final delivery for $200, total $400. And deadline will be 7 and 7 days, total 15 days.
yeah.
And I already get access. And I also need the existing both websites access from Wix so that it will be easy for
To
me
copy and paste.
to copy and paste and to download the images actually.
Yeah, that's no problem. I can do that. So I'll give you that access. I'm going to
Yeah,
send you the menu also. It's a new menu, new
yeah,
food and beverage menus. So you can copy and paste that. You can start with the existing theme that we have and
got
use,
it.
that I just shared to you there because that's a good framework to start on.
Yeah,
And we'll go from there. And like, listen, like if you want to put extra resources on it, we can go for more money. Like it's okay, you know. I understand it's time sensitive. So if you
yeah,
want to increase it a bit and put up extra people or extra time or whatever, I'm okay with that.
got it. I understand that. Okay, we are trying hard. Uh,
Yeah.
okay, I think before that we can finish, no problem. So we are actually the developer of 32 people. Actually, under me, there are 32 developers are working on different accounts, on different Upwork accounts we are working, and this is not only the account.
Okay.
And I think we can put some more resources as you asked. No problem, no problem. Yeah,
Like you said, 400 for the website.
yeah, the whole website for the whole website.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Make it more. Make it do like 750 and put an extra one or two people, like extra people. I'm going to give you a lot of information. So I need it done well. So if you're okay
okay.
with that,
So if you want to, deadline can be decreased to 7 days if I actually add two people actually, because on Wix Studio, more than two people cannot work actually
at the same
uh,
time.
at the
Right.
same time. Yeah. So for that, we can actually do a shifting duty,
Okay.
like 6 hours to 6 hours, and add 4 resources.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in that way, we can actually finish in 7 days actually.
Okay.
So
Then let's try to do that because I'll have comments and I'll be able to tell you the comments and you can work on them for the week after that, you know?
get it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So just hire me on Upwork. If I can finish that 7 days, you can add $200 on the milestone, no problem.
For sure.
Yeah, and I need the access of the current two websites. And yeah, I have everything right now. Let's
Okay,
start.
perfect. Okay, thank you very much. I have to
Thank
run now because I got to go to a meeting, but I'll start sharing the things before I leave, and then
yeah.
we'll talk to you soon.
So thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye now.
Bye.